Hello dear fans. What is impeachment? Often, high-ranking officials of the state do not cope with the duties assigned to them and even commit crimes against their country. In this case, they can be removed from office through a special procedure called impeachment. Impeachment is a formal process in which a senior official is accused of illegal activities. Its result, depending on the country and its legislation, may be the removal of a person from office, as well as other sanctions. Impeachment should not be confused with re-election. Any electoral process is usually voter-initiated and can be based on political accusations and popular dissent, such as negligence, and impeachment is initiated by a constitutional body, usually the legislature, and is most often based on criminal offenses. The concept arose in the second half of the 14th century in England as a weapon in the struggle against royal tyranny. Then the House of Commons entrusted itself with the right to court the royal ministers, although before that only the king possessed it. At first, it was only the first stage of the dismissal of the monarch, the accusation of a state person of a crime and his trial, but now this is how the whole process is designated, right up to the decision. The President of Russia can be removed from office if members of the State Duma, who initiate the procedure through the formation of a special investigative committee, and the Russian Federation Council vote, and during it 2/3 of the votes are won in favor of impeachment. In addition, the Supreme Court must find the president guilty of high treason or a similar grave crime against the nation, and the Constitutional Court must confirm that the impeachment procedure is carried out in accordance with the Constitution of the Russian Federation. In 1995 to 1999, the State Duma tried several times to prosecute President Boris Nikolaevich Yeltsin, but did not get enough votes in favor of carrying out the process. Thanks for watching.